Welcome to our deep dive into Edge AI. Today, we are exploring how we can run sophisticated machine learning models directly on small, resource-constrained Internet of Things devices. We will break down exactly what this means, why it is becoming a critical technology, and how you can get started. So, what exactly is Edge AI? Simply put, it is the practice of deploying artificial intelligence algorithms directly on local hardware, which we call the edge, instead of sending data to a centralized cloud server for processing. This turns ordinary sensors and microcontrollers into smart, autonomous decision makers. To understand the value, we need to compare it with the traditional cloud AI model. Cloud AI is powerful, but relies on an internet connection and suffers from latency or lag. Edge AI, on the other hand, processes data instantly on the device. While it has less raw computing power, it gains massive advantages in speed, privacy, and offline capability. There are four main reasons engineers choose Edge AI. First is reduced latency. Millisecond decisions are vital for things like self-driving cars. Second is bandwidth. Processing video locally saves huge data costs. Third is privacy. Personal data never leaves the device. And finally, reliability. It works even when the internet goes down. The workflow for Edge AI is distinct. You typically train your model on a powerful computer or cloud server where you have unlimited resources. Once trained, you optimize that model to shrink it down. Only then do you deploy the final, lightweight file onto your microcontroller or IoT device to run inferences in the real world. Optimization is the magic that makes this possible. We use techniques like quantization, which converts complex 32-bit floating point numbers into simple 8-bit integers. This can reduce a model's size by 4 times with almost no loss in accuracy. We also use pruning, which cuts out neural connections that aren't contributing to the result. Not all edge hardware is created equal. At the bottom, we have tiny microcontrollers that run on batteries and do simple tasks. In the middle, single-board computers like the Raspberry Pi can handle vision. At the top, we have dedicated accelerators like the Jetson Nano, which are custom-built to run AI math incredibly fast. You don't have to build this from scratch. The software ecosystem is maturing rapidly. TensorFlow Lite for microcontrollers is the industry standard for running models. Platforms like Edge Impulse offer a complete pipeline for collecting data and training models. PyTorch Mobile is also a strong contender for deploying to mobile devices. We see this technology everywhere. In factories, it powers predictive maintenance, listening to machines to predict breakdowns. In nature, it helps conservationists track wildlife. In our homes, it powers voice assistants that respect our privacy by processing commands locally without recording audio to the cloud. To wrap up, Edge AI is shifting intelligence from the cloud to the device in your pocket. Driven by the need for speed and privacy, and enabled by clever optimization techniques, it is opening up a new world of smart applications. I hope this introduction inspires you to build your own smart device.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.